So guys, we've got her up on the ramplet. The brakes work absolutely fine. We have a problem. We found it instantaneously. You'll see there is no pad. I'll take this all apart and I'll show you exactly what I mean. So guys, upon inspection, right, we pulled it off. These are our pads, and basically they're non-existent. So they're gonna get replaced. All of this is covered in brake dust too, the anti-rattle shims, and there's a massive old lip on the inside discs. So we do them too, and hopefully that solves a little ticky tick. So guys, as you can see, to be fair, the brake discs are not bad at all. There's a teeny weeny bit of a lip. And the pads are a little bit shagged. Inside it's got a teeny weeny bit of meat on, but yeah. All of the brackets and stuff absolutely mangled. I've given this a good clean up already. But yeah, lots of brake dust, lots of dust. So to help solve this clicking, I am going to get inside of this seal as much as possible with brake cleaner and a toothbrush. Shall show you the after. There you go guys, lovely and clean. So we've greased them up, cleaned them up. Now we're going to see what the other side looks like whilst we wait for the discs and pads to turn up. So guys, there's the other side apart, and this one has pad, just a teeny bit. I have to need a change anyway. The discs are pretty mint, but standard practice is just to change discs and pads at the same time, cause any other issues. Now my plan is to clean all this up, just like the other side. I've already done the piston, all up the other side and copper slipping, and then put them all together. These aren't in quite a bad of a shape either, to be completely honest with you. These could be the reason why we get a rattle when the brakes get hot. Old knackered pad, brand new meaty boy. Difference that definitely need to change in. And lovely new shiny discs and old rattly discs. I think we may have found our culprit for the ticky noise. This one, I believe it was, this one was bent. Out of all of them on the anti-rattle shims, these are anti-rattle shims, and this guy was bent like way up, so I kind of made it as much of a symmetry thing going on. The new box didn't come with new ones, so I'm also giving him a Indian boy. We're going to clean them up and then we're going to throw them back together. There we are, all cleaned up again. This was the bent boiler. I might try and get in the back a little bit more actually. There you go. Get some. There you go, look. Much better. Now we throw it all back together. All back together, all shiny. Hopefully this solves the rattle that we had going on. Fairly filthy, fully assembled, fully copper slipped up. But now we just got to repeat the same on the other side. I almost forgot to mention, guys, about these sliders also. It is a good idea to copper slip these up, replace this grease. As you notice, there was more outer wear than there was inner wear on the pads, and this could be a reason. This side, in fact, this specific one, when I tried taking it off, was seized up, so it's always best to grease your sliders. Right guys, she's all back together, all done. Hopefully all the clicking stopped. I'll have to update you on that because I've got to bed these in. Can't go and get them hot real quick. So, hope I haven't bored you guys too much. Burn rubber on your soul. If you want to turn this sort of thing into this sort of thing, you want to give Stop and Weld Fabrication Services in North Devon a shout. Tom is a great guy. He can do magic with metal. Also, as you can see, he is a Powerflow North Devon guy. If you need any exhaust systems, anything at all, he can custom make you your own exhaust system.
Yeah, good job. Still gonna kick off.
Hey, pop, pop. Hey, pop, pop. Hey, pop, pop.